Hi, we're the Buxton Team.
Ever wonder if a home is haunted? In New York State, a case about ghosts made it to the Supreme Court, requiring sellers to sign a separate disclosure if they do in fact believe their property is haunted.
Well, it's popularly known as the Ghostbuster ruling. The case is frequently discussed in property law classes, cited in textbooks, and cited by other courts.
In Oklahoma, we do not have to disclose if a home is haunted or not, but we can always ask the owner if they know.
Hey, Edna, how can people continue to live in their house once we put it on the market?
Good question. Your home has always been your sanctuary, your one true personal space, but now it's listed for sale and will soon get a ton of foot traffic, and that can be stressful. Here are 5 ways to prepare for your sale while living in your house.
Well, number 1, packing and storing boxes in the basement or garage is completely acceptable. We want to open up as much space as possible in the house. We're emphasizing floor space and square footage, so the larger it feels, the more money you should get.
Number 2, while you're packing, try to get rid of things you don't need. If you haven't touched an item in a year and it's not an heirloom or a memory, it's time to part with it.
Yeah. Number 3, a clean, cared for house can net you up to $5,000 or $10,000 more. So shoot for that 5-star hotel perfection when cleaning and focus particularly on the bathrooms, kitchen, windows, and floors. Make it sparkle.
Number 4, buyers are going to be looking through closets and other areas people wouldn't typically see. So make sure to put all your valuables or personal items, including medicines, away.
And number 5, involve your kids. Nothing's better than having your kids be a part of the selling process. And the easiest way to get them involved is through games or maybe a reward system, so they'll help you clean the house and prepare it for showings.
If you're thinking of moving to another state and are in need of an agent in that state, let us know. We will connect you to a great realtor in that state.
Talk to you soon.